waving my hands around.
Like an idiot.
It's sad that they died, but the reality is they did it to themselves.
Yeah, you go to some kind of race, you gotta prepare for anything.
Go, go, pass him.
Thank you.